Would you shut up, please? Thank you, Soup. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna find every secret in Big Scary. Let's do it. First, on level 1. First off, if you don't know about Big Scary and you've been living under a rock, there's actually a secret room down here.
Oh, I didn't cheer. Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Like right here, and then you can watch the monster right here.
Hurry up, now, bro.
It's pretty cool.
Where Boski go?
Alright.
Oh.
Time to get out of this well. Alright. Level 1. I'm pretty sure there's no secret in level 1. Oh yeah, you could get this hat right here. It's an army hat, which I do not got on right now. So yeah. Music. Alright, thank you. There's a secret room right here when the new update came, and I'm gonna show you around. Shrek is getting burned up right now. He's getting burned up right here. You're my shrimp tonight. Okay, on to the next secret.
Purple, I can see you.
Wait, no.
I can see you, Purple.
What the heck? I see your blue hand. Alright, if you go down this yellow slide, you will unlock this Fortnite Battle Royale with flamethrowers. Pretty cool. And then, ever since the new update came around, we got this slide that leads down to Voxel Horror. Well, it's not really a secret. It's just kind of like a new update thing. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows that. So why am I even showing it? That is so ruthless. Ruthless. Moderators should go down here. Okay, now this is turning like a secret facts video. Secret and facts video. That I'm pretty sure everybody already knows already. Moderators could go through this mirror if you don't know. Oh, hi. Hi.
Gas station.
They added 3 new 3 or 4
I
moderators.
recommend going to the pizzeria on level 7.
They added average monkey.
Oh, yeah. Bruh. Hey, all you monkers, you better not go up to that gas station and take my cookies, or I will get Shrek to tickle you. But I do recommend going to the pizzeria on level 7. The pizza there is quite scrumptious, so yeah.
Bruh.
And that's one of the secrets that we're gonna do on this video. So then they added this moderator up here.
I see you, Purple.
I cannot reach him, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a dialogue. So yeah, he does not have a dialogue. They added Arrow VR.
You gotta do it, man. Yeah, Arrow VR, that's me. Hey, man. It's me, Arrow.
And that was his dialogue. And then they added Vikes.
You gotta get out, man.
So that is pretty cool. Okay. We're going on. Where's the first secret? Is on level 3. So on level 3, if you come down here, it's just me, or am I hearing the monster? I don't know. And you come down here, and down here, you see this little corner here. So if you come down here, oh, frick. Gosh dang it. Gosh, ratatouilles. Ratatouilles. Juke it! Alright. That was just a practice run, okay? That was just a practice one. Bruh. Oh, shit! You monster. Hey, you go. Thank you. Alright, so if you come down here, take this way. Then you come down here. Then here. Oh crap, why am I so slow? And then here. And then down here, you see this little hole. If you come down here, all you just see is a little bit of mice and a computer. But if you go behind the chair and go under here, there will be a little secret here. And this is the little secret that Shrek made. Look, even my capybara is dancing. Alright, time to get out of here. If you want to keep jamming it, I will make a whole entire hour of me dancing in it. Or possibly even like 30 minutes. If I see the monster, I will die. Monster! Hello! Where the heck is the stupid monster at? Monster! Oh god. Back into the other level.
What code is it? He just started the live stream, so I don't know.
I think it was level 4. Oh yeah, level 4 has a secret. If you go to level 4 and go down the wrong slides, you will get a banana buck.
Watch this, guys.
Level 5. Level 5 don't have a secret, I think. Yeah, they don't have a secret. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they don't have a secret. But level 6, though. Level 6 has a secret that you don't know. Pretty sure. Some people know it, though. Some people know it. Is it in here? No. Oh, yes. These scrumptious little kids are my snacks. Just kidding. Oh, crap. Get away! Get away! Ah! Get away! Ah! Good. Is it behind the TV? No. No. And no, guys, we're not looking for the key. We're looking for Jimmy. If you don't know, he's quite scrumptious. Dang it. I don't know where he is. I think it's in this house, maybe. Oh dear God! Oh my God! Yes, they added a little Jimmy here. I don't know why. Alright. That's all the secrets I have. So, let's go back. Hello, scrumptious kids.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Level 7, what Average Monkey just said. There is a scrumptious little secret. If you go down here, go down this pipe. Oh, grab that screaming. If you go down this pipe, and you go all the way down the pipe. What was that? I'm muted for now, but this is a pizzeria that everybody makes. Look, even the rat eats the pizzas. And then here's this little music. Alright. And that what Average Monkey just said. Since he's moderator, he gets to go through stuff. Let me get out of this hole. Alright, no, anybody. Oh, frick. Who was that? Oh, it's Spicy Man.
Yo, what's
Alright.
up, Purple?
What's up? Bro, you want to join the video?
Yeah.
I'm telling facts and secrets about Big Scary. Let's go. Go to level 8. Level 8, I think, doesn't have a secret. I think. So I just wasted your whole entire time here. Bye, guys. Alright, level 9.
It's me, Pumpkin, the pumpkin.
The Halloween
I
level.
want some candy to eat. And
If
I
you
will
go
open
down-
the door for you. Find some candy.
Get away
for
from me. You shut up, Pumpkin the pumpkin. Ah! If you go down by the hay maze and into this gravestone, you get to have a family meeting. And this stupid scarecrow here. Button? There's no button on here. Die! Now we press back. Alright guys, we're almost done, okay? We're almost done.
Go underground to where you can see level 1.
If you go on level 10, frig, dog. Oh, if you go down here, you get a little rap meeting. I'm too scared for this level for. So don't say scaredy cat in the comments.
You.
What is this?
Somebody
Average 11 the grandma.
If you go
Go
to level
11,
11, if you go to level 11 and go down this red slide,
Hear the grandma. Hear the grandma. Really. Answer really. Answer really.
and if you come down here,
No, follow me.
not here. Habula, shut up! Before I beat your child. First I need to find it. Maybe it's down here. Oh gosh, dang it, I don't know where it is!
Disfrutemos un poquito.
Warning for you guys, it could be leading to a jump scare. Because it jump scared me while gameplay. I can't put it on the screen because. Just because. Gosh dang, where is the secret? I can't seem to see it. I had a freaking heart attack. I ain't looking anymore. So guys, if you want to find the secret, go to Average Monkey's channel and...
Boom.
Oh my god! It gave me a heart
I
attack!
literally stabbed you like 10 times.
Alright,
Bro,
so...
why you lagging?
So level 10? I mean 12? Level 12 does not have a secret. All you just do is collect presents. Because this used to be a Christmas update. Oh yeah, level 9 was a Halloween update. I mean, you could tell by the pumpkin. Get out of my way! Thank you.
Nigga.
The code is cute.
Level 13? It does have a secret, but I ain't going out there because it is too scary. I am afraid for my whole entire life. Level 14 does not have a secret so far. I seen so many big scary videos, and I see no secret. Oh yeah, Average Monkey video, you could go in there. Right now you can't because it's blocked off.
QQA. QQA and hit enter. Elite.
Level 15, it does have a secret, but whatever. Oh shit! I am scared. You get a little pet here, and you have rats. And also you get a free nose. I don't know if he's actually coming or not. Oh! I hate him. Oh my gosh. Alright, level 16. If you go to here, you're gonna find this. And that's the only secret that I heard so far. So, yeah. Kaboom, I guess? Alright. Would you move out of my way? Thank you. Level 17. It is a war level, so yeah. This might take a little bit of time. Oh, you're dead! Ah! This might be just a little bit glitchy. Yeah, just a little bit. Oh god, there's an actual real soldier. I am so good at Call of Duty Zombies. Yes, but it's in one of these holes. Not this one. Oh, hello! Couldn't reach him from afar. But it is in one of these holes. I just don't know. Like, where? Oh, crap! Haha! Get juked! Oh, crap. There's no freaking sound effect. Alright. Down here. And if you go to here, I don't know where this place is at, but you need to find it yourself. If you go down here, here are these little rats in the small bunker. There's Shrek's face. Just kidding. I do not love Shrek. I mean, not like gay, but... Oh, hello. Not gay, but... Not gay, but I do love Shrek because if we get 10,000 subscribers, I will get the content creator hat, which is so fun because then I can flex on other people and say, "You lose, fatality." Just kidding. I will not say that. Oh look, a little sniper. Dies immediately. Where is spawn at? Holy crap. Like, where do I even spawn? Yes, it's gonna take me a while to find it, or I think that is it. Yes, it is almost at the end of the map, but it's not. Bruh! Really, bruh? Oh, this might be it. Go in. Let me go in. Count 50, I don't care. And that's all the secrets for you guys. And hope you liked the video. And now I'm gonna show you moderator secrets. Definitely not from Average Monkey.
My lovely. I got him.
Shrek here could modify the game.
Wait, who wants to get out
Shrek
of the
could
map?
modify
Who
the
wants to go
game
out of the
to
map?
spawn monsters.
Come on, let's do it.
Get out of me freaking way. Shrek could destroy the game with a bunch of monsters. He could control the game. He said average monkey all the way up to the moon. Now I'm just talking to myself. Okay, like we all know that moderators could go down here. Moderators could go into like, you know what I mean, like through like Voxel Horror. Shrek could go in there, and all the other moderators. Alright, that's all for today, guys. If you want a part 2, like and subscribe.